there everyone, Captain John here, and as you can see we are at the beach here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. This is one of their many shorelines here in the Philippines. As you can see, well, it is an island. Definitely not like what you would expect to see in like a Palawan or even like Hawaii type place. It's not like that crystal clear blue water like you would think on a tropical environment. It's also kind of overcast today. It did rain and storm last night, so kind of stir things up. But yeah, later in this series of videos we will be doing some nice ocean areas, so stay tuned for that. We're going to go up to Lingayen and stay at a resort there eventually, so stay tuned to those videos. But yeah, let's kind of explore here. So as I said, they're pulling a rope right there, and I'm assuming they're probably pulling in a fishing net. There's like a team of people pulling something. And over there you can rent a hut. We did that last time we were here in the Philippines. You can rent these huts, get like a little barbecue pit, and you can barbecue, just hang out for the day, have some shade. You can rent those boats, or you just go swimming. The water here is, let's see how the temperature is. Last time I came here it was not that cold. Definitely not like Northern California, San Francisco area where I'm from. Definitely can't really swim in the beaches there, even on a hot day, because the water's too cold. Huh?
There's a bunch of little crabs.
You see some crabs?
Yeah.
And that's how cold or warm it is. Yep.
Oh, why is it so warm?
It's warm. Definitely some warm water, not cold at all. But it's still kind of refreshing because it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and it's quite warm already. Tropical environment, you know, it's always humid and warm. That's refreshing. Caught some crabs. Where are they? I don't see
There's one right here and one right here.
Why you guys got them locked in here? Gonna make them fight?
Yeah.
They might be brothers and sisters.
No.
This one's still here though.
Like a little spider. Something to park here, or we're not?
Sir, dyan na lang sir. Dyan lang naman yung package ko sir.
Dito, pwede na dito.
Oh, pwede na sir. Yan lang yung package ko sir. Yung sarap ng kulay blue.
Okay.
Sundan nyo na lang po ako sir. Abutin mo na yung gamit niyo sir. Tulungan ko kayong mag-abot.
Was it bunched up in the car? Yeah, that's why.
Kahapon, right? Opo. Ito, dyan po yung balawan sa kulay green po, ma'am. Ito po, oh.
How long are we here?
Pati sa akin yan, eh. Ito, ma'am.
There's a time limit?
No.
Right.
What, for suntan?
He doesn't let me like put it on.
Sand is very hot. It is quite warm today.
Is there 4 of them in there?
Did I make it yesterday?
Yeah, but I don't know how it tastes. You know what?
Natin yung ano, yung gin na inano mo, pag di nyo inumin mami, tapos bili pa tayo ng ganito. I like this one.
I want to see the label. Okay.
Di ba bumili, ano ba yung gin binili mo? Tanduay? O vodka?
There we go. 7-Eleven drinks. Cheers.
Cheers! Wait na mo konti. Parang wala, tubig. No. Dala tayo bukas. May ano, may pagkain ba dun sa
So here's the ice cream salesman, among many others that passed by. And here comes the ice cream monster. He heard the ice cream bells, so he came running. Of course.
Ice cream.
You're gonna. Are you gonna pay?
Mainit. Drumstick ay. Ice. 45 sir. 45? 45.
You have this one?
What? Wala. X. Ito lang. Drumstick. Ang tigay yun. Daling ba? Jasmine!
Soft.
I'll get this one.
Are they melted or no? Is that one? Thank you.
Wag ka nang bumili ng sibuyas.
Is it good?
Try mo natin sibuyas. Ano to?
20.
Does it taste like American ice cream? Or is it different?
A little bit. A little different.
Wala na yun.
Is it sweet or is it chalky?
Meron pa, pero pa na pinapabog na.
Chalky? Yeah.
Oo.
It's because they don't have milk here. Yeah, they use milk from the dogs to make that one.
Is that even worth it for 30 pesos?
How much is 30 pesos?
Less than maybe 50 cents?
Oh,
60
yeah.
cents?
That's very worth it. In America, it's like $5.
Mama, you don't know what you're talking
It is
about.
an ice cream man.
Yeah, but it's bigger than that.
Okay, but still,
Yeah,
it's not
still,
$5
see?
worth though. This is 50 cents worth.
Ano? Mamalengke ka?
Kailan, mamaya.
Oo ata. Dadalhin bukas. Basta hindi ano.
What?
Kaya dyan. Ma'am, salamat po.
Thank you. Alright. Gonna head on into the water here, Lingayen Beach. Got some kids saying hi to us over there. Jordan building a sand castle.
It's a volcano.
Is that what it is, a volcano? I'm sorry. I'm gonna take off my shoes. Are those water shoes, Wayne? Those water shoes? Really? They look like actual shoes. Mine are like socks. Those are nice. Where'd you get those? Amazon? How much were they?
It was on sale. Like $50.
Really? I think I got mine for 13 and they don't look like shoes. They're just like socks with a sole.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Alright, here we go. The water's very warm, by the way. Like I explained earlier, it's not your normal California beach. Even Hawaii, the water was much cooler than this. This is almost like lukewarm bath water. But then again, we are a little bit more tropical than normal here in the Philippines. Oh! Whew. It's getting deep pretty quick. Oh, JR found something. What'd you find, JR? What'd you find?
Hermit crab.
Huh?
Hermit crab.
Got a hermit crab?
There's a lot.
Oh, that's cool.
There's a lot.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Fish.
Cool little hermit crab. It's like, hey, put me down. Hey, put me down.
You want to see it, Titoy?
Well, yeah.
That's the second one. The first one is almost big.
Yeah, that's a big one.
They used to sell that at my school.
What?
Yeah.
Look, and if you go like this, look.
It's coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out.
We'll get a close up.
Whoa.
Probably too scared.
Like,
Scared to come out.
Go like this.
Oh, yeah, you dip it in the water and then it'll come out. We've been following it around for like 20 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
It's been running from you guys?
We
Yeah.
wanted to see if we would find more.
Yeah. I thought this was like a half broken shell at first, but when I picked it up, it was a whole thing and it started squirming.
Can you see underwater pretty clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit in like
Some
certain
parts.
areas.
Love it.
Come on.
So
come on.
compare this to a Hawaiian beach. What would you say?
The Hawaiian beach you can see more.
Yeah. And there's more like animals. We've only seen like maybe 5 fish and like 2 hermit crabs this entire time.
Well, I just saw fish swimming.
Yeah.
So, yeah, because when we were in Hawaii, we like swam with a turtle, a couple turtles, and all those fish, tropical fish. And now we got Mr. Hermie crab.
Oh.
Got too close.
Should we put them down?
Yeah, but I want to watch it again.
Alright, we're gonna. I feel bad. He made it all the way over there. from
Okay,
right
well,
here.
yeah, go take him back home.
Let's take them far.
Don't make him walk too far. Got a few locals out here. So I think I was telling Venus is we're sitting in our hut over there. Yeah, some of these kids are just playing in the sand like you would see in Southern California. But gosh, it's so hot here, humid. I mean, you know, us white people, we would burn very easily. You got kids like this just swimming out here, no problem. Did you say that if you pee in here, it attracts the sharks? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go back this way then. Because, you know, it just got a lot warmer in here, if you know what I mean. Oh, I just stepped on something hard. Oh. But yeah, I just stepped on something hard here. I don't know if it's a shell or another crab or something. If you want to look up here. Is he still following that hermit crab? Is he still following that hermit crab?
What the heck? Shark attack.
What's that? Fish?
Yeah.
Dead fish? Oh, yeah. Oh, God, I just stepped on something. Something on my foot there. What is that? I think it's a seaweed, maybe. Something just rubbed on my foot. Oh, it's goggles. Is that Jasmine's goggles? Did she lose her goggles, really?
Yeah.
And she just found it?
Wait, what do I do?
I thought that was a seaweed attacking my foot.
A dead fish?
I didn't know you lost them. How long ago did you lose them?
I wasn't gonna tell you because we're gonna get mad. I lost them like when we first got here.
And then I thought it was seaweed on my foot. It's like, what the hell's that?
Yeah.
And Jerry went down and was like, oh yeah, it's her goggles.
Because
Do you imagine, out of all this ocean and beach line, I find your goggles?
yeah, I'm happy because what's it called? Because it was stuck to my hair, so I wanted to take my hair out the ponytail, and then it fell off. And then we couldn't. We were looking. Oh, we were looking over there, not over here.
There's this guy, 6'3". He doesn't have to be on his tippy toes. I said, you're 6'3". That's why you're not on your tippy toes. Are you on your tippy
You're on
toes?
your tippy toes? What a set.
Well, not right now. Right now I'm not, but I was a second ago. I was on my tippy toes when I was over there.
Where's the dragon at?
I don't know. Yeah, there's like this little banana boat or dragon boat where the boats pull you on this inflatable thing out into the ocean and around. But today's Monday, so they probably don't run on the weekdays. It's not busy enough. Like on a weekend, it's probably full of people. Boats are all out doing their thing.
Okay, go. Like, did you check it was like the Cardi B? Yeah, the Cardi B
Alright, well the wind's definitely picked up a lot more. We are definitely done swimming for the day here at Lingayen Beach in Pangasinan. This guy over here catching crabs. We're packing up all of our trash. Again, we rented this hut here. It was 400 pesos for the day. It was funny because you know, we're tourists, so usually they try to jack up the price because they, and so there's a lady walking saying, hey, we'll give you the hut for 400, and then Venus's brother Junior, who lives here in town, they were asking him to pay 500, so they were charging the locals more money than the foreigner visitors. I thought that was funny, so we got it for 400. Alright guys, well thanks for watching this little short video of us swimming here in Lingayen Beach, Pangasinan. Now gonna head out, go have some dinner, head back to the house, relax until our next adventure. We're gonna head out to Balanaw, so make sure you're following this series of videos here in the Philippines. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Yeah, it's behind this hut.
Okay, okay. Oh! 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 Oh!
Hot sand, hot sand. Is it hot? Damn, it is hot. Sand is burning hot. Oh my goodness. She has no shoes on. Yeah, you better put those shoes on even though they're wet. Well, you want wet, sandy shoes, or do you want burning feet? I can smell your feet burning from here.
Dude, it hurts.
Yeah, I bet it hurts. It hurts mine and I have slippers on.
Really, bro?
Yeah, bruh, really, bruh.
My bad, my bad.
Keep calling me bruh. I'm gonna shave your head when you're sleeping.
Don't do that. I don't want to be ugly. And then that's your costume.
Damn, that sand is hot. There, you can put this in the back of the van. Jasmine. Put this in the back of the van, please. Thank you.
What do I do with my clothes?
Put it in the back of the van.